Look at that,
again.
man. That looks nuts.
Look at that waterfall back there. Wow. Oh my God. That's beautiful. Going off into the ocean.
Well, it's too rolly and exposed to anchor here overnight, baby. Alright, so we're doing a real quick half-hour anchor here, just inside Pahu Point. And I've been wanting to swim in this waterfall my whole life. Okay, we're going to make it a fast one. See you in there. Whew. Nice. What? Kern? That is a fine picture. Nice. Come on, girlies. It's rolling now. That's nice. Be careful of your neck, dear. Don't let it pound your neck too hard, okay? Don't let it pound your neck too hard. If you go right underneath the waterfall. You're not in the waterfall, by the way.